Have you ever taken a class or sat through a training that felt confusing or unorganized? Strong instructional designers use models to purposefully prevent that from happening. One of the most widely used instructional design models is the ADDIE model. My name is Carrie Ward, and today I'll be teaching you about the ADDIE model. In this presentation, I'll explain what the ADDIE model is, walk through each of its 5 steps, and discuss how it supports effective learning experiences. ADDIE is an instructional design framework used to create effective learning experiences. The name ADDIE is an acronym of its 5 phases: analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate. The model is systematic and flexible, meaning designers can move back and forth between steps to improve instruction. ADDIE is commonly used in education, corporate training, and e-learning environments. Now, let's break down the 5 phases of the ADDIE model. The analyze phase focuses on understanding the learning problem. During this step, designers identify the learners, their prior knowledge, learning goals, and any constraints such as time or technology. Key questions of the analyze step include: who are the learners? What do they need to learn? And why is this instruction necessary? The analyze step is critical because a strong analysis ensures the instruction is both relevant and learner-centered. In the design phase, the instructional plan is created. Learning objectives are written, assessments are planned, and instructional strategies are selected. This step outlines how learning will happen, including content organization, activities, and media choices. Think of this phase as creating the blueprint for the learning experience. The develop phase is where the actual instructional materials are created. This may include lesson plans, videos, slides, quizzes, or even online modules. In addition to creating these materials, designers also test and refine materials during this phase to ensure that everything works correctly. By the end of development, all learning resources should be ready for delivery. During the implement phase, the instruction is delivered to learners. This may involve teaching a class or training session in person, or even launching an online course. Instructors and learners are focused on the materials, and any technical or logistical issues are addressed. Successful implementation ensures that learners can access and engage with the content effectively. The evaluate phase measures how effective the instruction was. Evaluation is an ongoing process that occurs both during and after implementation. Formative evaluation helps improve instruction while it's being developed, while summative evaluation measures whether learning objectives were achieved. Feedback from learners is also commonly used to revise and improve future instruction. Reflection is a critical element of the evaluation phase as it helps instructional designers consider and revise the product from an honest and growth-aligned mindset. The ADDIE model provides instructional designers with an approach that is both structured and flexible. By following its 5 phases, educators and designers can create more meaningful, effective, and goal-aligned learning experiences responsive to the needs of the target audience. If you're interested in the benefits of the ADDIE model, you might consider applying the ADDIE framework to a lesson, training session, or project of your own. You can also learn more by accessing the sourced references on this slide. Doing so can help you better understand how thoughtful design improves learning outcomes. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about this valuable instructional design model.